Yo. I'm as cold as Ben and Jerry's. Motherfucking flows like Sailor Jerry's. You make it show up with your obituaries. This been a motherfucking spread you up like some motherfucking barbers cherries. Learn you one of them signs, drop blood on your head like I was Carrie. Laughing like Jim Carrey. Freddy with the razor blades to cut like the crusade. 25 cents to me like if I was an arcade. I wash you down like it was Mike's Hard Lemonade. You guys a bitch mad in the shade. I cut like a switchblade. Motherfucker brother cut you down like a clean shave. I don't know which way to go. Rid of a motherfucker beating you more like a prehistoric. If you ass decapitated, buried underground so nobody refines your bone. I'll send chills to your bitch's spine. Give goosebumps like R.L. Stein. Burn through your enzymes. Made a motherfucker like Weird Al Yankovic. Motherfucker that could spit some shit like if I was Howard Stern. Motherfuckers left the motherfucker laugh, think your parents concerned. Leave your motherfucker dead body up, leave your toe tag confirmed. I come in hot like butter melted on a hot tortilla. Eat your ass up like a sopapilla. Put you up in the deep freeze. Motherfucker up and eat you up and eat your green on. Freeze you up like Freon. Draw you up like crayon. Got you listening like what kind of shit is he on? Motherfucker, I ain't no fucking peon. I ain't no newcomer. I cut you up and slice you like a cucumber. When I grab the microphone or whatever phone I'm on, I eat the motherfucker up, beat on them like they was a xylophone. Blowing out smoke like a saxophone. Leave you motherfuckers up cause you fake as silicone. Run your ass over like an Asian woman driving over a parking cone. I be making some tight ass beats. Keep motherfucker hood sports up on they cleats. Leave you motherfucker up creases like motherfucking dickies. So wash you down like 40 ounce of meat. Turn you rusty and orange like pennies. I got bitches put away for a rainy day, just like they was on layaway. Most of the people in my life like to stay away, but I wash them down with the fucking 40 ounce in a motherfucking hurricane. Situation that got me all the way in, and there's no umbrella but get away from the rain. The pain continues. Bad. Earl Grey. Motherfuckers that stray away from, cause I'm a cat in the alley. Motherfucker up valley situation, we would have had running for better rallies. This Midwestern boy's loped out like if I was from Cali. Patty cake bakers, man. Try to catch the gingerbread, I'm running as fast as you can. Because you're fucking up the game, and your bitch is gonna be all up on my candy cane. Yeah, I'm heating up the game like if it was a bag of Lipton tea. Your bitch just wants to cheat. I got the energy to make your bitch fiend for me. Immediately I'm coming in like a motherfucking hawk. And I guarantee you, got the motherfucking gasoline to spark the room.